Goddamn, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ace from LA, and I'm back with another video, man. Today we are gonna be vlogging. You feel me? I got my camera set up. I'm gonna go get a haircut, keeping the hood on, no cap. If y'all like these type of videos, man, these mini vlogs, hot boxes and shit, man, and one type shit, you feel me? But shout out my boy Dude Dennis. He just got back from Miami. 100,000 likes on going to Miami the same day. I swear to God. We have finished rolling the wood. Goddamn, we're finna head to the car. See what it's talking about. If y'all like these type of videos, man, where it's just like what I do on a daily basis type shit, let me know. I'll drop more of these bitches. We can do day in the life vlogs. I'll make it a little mini series or something. But look, y'all click this playlist up here, you feel me? It should be right up here somewhere. Y'all click this playlist if y'all like the hot boxing videos. I made a whole playlist. Y'all go watch that if y'all haven't already. So we going up. We about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Another place for a bit like Michael. So high right now, I could kick it with Jesus. She play hard to get. I really love her demeanor. Behind closed doors, she get freaky like Trina. If y'all like any of these songs, man, the link to my Apple Music playlist will be in the description. Y'all gotta do is click on it. If you got Apple Music, you can listen to it. I'ma check back in after I finish this, cause you feel me? I don't wanna just be sitting here and this shit get boring. But we hearing my dog. You know the drill. This is a day in the life vlog. You feel me? I've been hotboxing. I hotboxed before you got here. You feel me? And now I'm smoking with you. And then after this, we're going to get a haircut type shit.
There we are.
Yeah. But yeah, man.
Smoking good, smoking the papers and the grabber.
Hey, bro. Man, got me on the papers and the grabber.
We make all this shit around here gangster.
Hell yeah.
That shit fire.
For the team, like, what you rate this out of New York food? This some top tier shit?
7. Bro, it's like 7 type shit.
7 type shit?
You know, it's something we go to type shit. It's like a snack type shit, you feel me?
Word. Best Bev.
Best Bev. You're not going wrong with a Snapple, bro.
Niggas
a Snapple or fucking apple juice, orange juice type shit.
Am I valid though? I be getting the Arizona shit. The canned Arizona.
Nah, Arizona's
99 cent.
Arizona's
Hey, I be heading over there. Hey, I'm a rich nigga too, so I be letting them keep the penny. You feel me? I be heading them a dollar. I be like, you keep the change. And I got one more question.
I'm listening.
Nigga said, if your deli does not have the cat walking around, if your Aki ain't got a cat running the deli, it's not bad.
Oh my god, ew, is that a cat? This place is so unsanitary. Disgusting.
Yeah, what's good, y'all? Where the manager at? I think she bought a honey bun. Oh, word? Copy.
Eats.
Come on now. So you got it. So do your deli got a cat?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. Nigga, your deli is great if you able to walk in that bitch and get cigars with no tax type shit.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, cause niggas don't get cigars like your papers type shit. You know, papers is the $2.50. They charges is $2 or $1 because you know we get papers in grabber.
Come on,
yeah, we got $2 on them. You're like, alright, give it here, give you papers and grabber type shit.
I ain't gonna lie, that's some Cuzzo shit. I don't got an Aki, I got a Cuzzo. You feel me?
So this bitch came in the store, right?
Right.
And you know, I don't buy grabber. I buy Fronto leaf and I make my grabber type shit.
Yeah.
So shorty came in, she was like, let me get a leaf. Nigga said $2. She was like, alright. She was like, let me see the leaf. He looked at it, type shit. She walked away. And so, bro, she just walked to the bodega type shit to order food right beside me. I said, yo, let me get $1 food. Let me get $1 leaf. Nigga looked at her. The leaf, I threw him $1 gangster. My leaf's $1. I don't pay $2.
And she just had to give up $2?
Gangster.
Yo.
She gave up a whole extra $1 for no reason type shit.
She out of town.
Oh yeah.
She out of town?
Nah, she not from out of town. That's just not her normal bodega.
Yeah.
You can tell she not from the hood.
We gonna record this. You gonna see my first natural reaction. Real nigga gotta do real thing. You gonna see my natural reaction off this video. This bitch valid? Everything done to it?
Of course.
It's amazing. Oh.
I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm about to walk in the barber shop right now. You feel me? It's looking bad. I can't even count. It's looking bad. All good though, cause. All right, so you feel me? I just got the haircut and shit. Pull it up on the game, you feel me?
Yo.
Yeah, this bitch kind of lit our shit. No cap.
Oh, man.
That nigga car fucked up the wood last time. That shit was crazy.
Crazy.
See?
I'm going to jail either.
Hey, send me the races you got. Heads up.
We got him already.
I put a boy up in the sky like a black. Ride with an Audi, but I'm in a trap. Hit a Percocet with the Molly, nigga mask. I started bitch over that fat cause she back. I got a move, can't sit still, that's a bad. He the slime tight, Nickelodeon, nigga cat dog. Find out what he on, so I'm finna take his cap off. It's a good day, I'm feeling like mess off. Big foot stepping on a nigga like Sass. How you talking beef, but you tryna get that squash? I'ma take the first shot, you end up with bad. Yeah, overlap, the already paid.